What's up, guys? If you're new here, my name is Michaela, and today we are going to be doing a Forever 21 try-on haul. Before we get started, make sure you guys hit that like button as well as the subscribe and the post notification button so you can be notified when I post my next video. Before we get started with the video, I wanted to first address the elephant in the room. Obviously, there's a lot going on during this time. I just wanted to make it known that I am a huge supporter of Black Lives Matter. Of course, I'm Black myself, but I just want to encourage everyone that wants to, of course, to donate to any organizations that have to do with Black Lives Matter as well as George Floyd. I will do some research and link some down below so you guys can just look in the description box. But I don't want to spend too much time talking about it. I know what side I'm on. You know what side you are on viewing this video. So I just pray for peace in the world and for justice to be served for those that deserve it. So without further ado, let's get into this haul. Okay, so before we get into this first piece, I just want to say this is going to be a very small Forever 21 haul because I just literally just picked up a few pieces because I'm going to be going to the beach next weekend. And I just ordered and then went to the store. First of all, let's get into that. So I ordered some clothes online for my little sister, right? And then of course, you know, I had to snag me a few pieces. But then I was going to go to the store originally, like my local Forever 21, but you know, with all this stuff going on, our mall got looted. So that put like a little wrench in my plans. But then after my order came, it took like freaking like a week and a half for it to come. The mall opened back up, so you know, I went in there because I don't like to order denim online, and I got some distressed denim shorts, so I needed to be in person when I got them, even though you can't try them on. But I just needed to look, you know, to see how they would be looking on me. So yeah, but anyways, this first piece is, it's a one piece. It's like a ruched romper, has ruching on it. It's ruching everywhere, black, strapless. I got it in a size small. It's cute. I don't know if I'm really feeling it. I'll be acting real crazy when it comes close, but let me see if I can see the ruching. Yeah, you can see it. Like, it's literally on the whole entire thing. Literally. I mean, it makes you look good in it, but I just don't know how I feel. The shorts come down like to a pretty decent length. You could wear this with sneakers, you could wear this with sandals, or you can wear it with some heels, like, you know, dress it up. Maybe with like a leather jacket, a jean jacket, I don't know. You can make it real cute. My mom even suggested you wear a chain belt. I'm not a chain belt type of girl, but I feel like it would be cute on someone who is into that. But yeah, this is the first piece. It's cute, I guess, or whatever. We'll see. I forgot to mention that the first piece, it didn't come with a tag, but when I ordered it, I could have sworn it was like either $18.99 or $22.99, one of those prices. But I'm gonna link everything down below in the description box so you'll be able to just click on it and it'll take you straight there. But up next we have this super cute, just like spaghetti strap. Why can't I talk today? It's really making me mad. Spaghetti strap crop top. This looks like this in the back. And this was $7.99, and I got it in a size small. It's a little bit see-through. I hope y'all can't see my nipples, but it's a little bit see-through. But I wouldn't recommend wearing anything spaghetti strap with a bra. That's tacky. But like, oh my god, that's ugh. I hate when girls do that. Like, just really just made me sick thinking about it. But yeah, and then I got these biker shorts. They have ruching on the side, so y'all know them shirts that like scrunch in the middle like that. They do the same exact thing. I hope y'all can't see how ashy I am because I just got out of the shower. But yeah, it's like this string on the side, and then you can pull it up or pull it down. Yeah, then you can tie it. I don't like them. Isn't that crazy that I don't like anything that I ordered so far? But yeah, actually I do like the top, but these shorts, I don't know. Ruching on both sides. It's none in the back. It's no ruching in the back. They're literally just on the side. It's not like the first one. They're cute. I just think they're cute for me. I feel like I should have not bought them. But I don't know how much they cost because the tag's not on it. This tag not a price on it. So yeah, this is it. I guess you could wear this together if you wanted to. Like as a chill outfit, like you just going out to the store. Or just going to run some errands, some sandals or some sneakers. It'll be up to you. But yeah. Okay, so obviously up next we got these shorts, and I just kept my top on because I got 2 pair of denim shorts and there's no reason for me to change my top. So yeah, so I got some blue jean pair. I got a blue jean pair, and they're super cute. They were in like the concert collection. They were only $20, $19.99, and super distressed. I love distressed jeans, high-waisted, like vintage looking, and they like frayed at the bottom, but super cute to me. I got them in a size 26, and if you want to use me for reference, I fluctuate from like 135, 140, and I wear either a 5 or a 7 in jeans. It just depends on from where. I personally don't like when my waist of my bottoms are big, so I mean I could have did a 27, I guess, if I'm being honest, but the waist probably would have been big. Like the waist here, it fits perfectly. Why am I not being able to talk? The waist fits perfectly, so yeah, super cute. I'm digging them. They're not too short, and like I don't know what happened to all my shorts from last summer, but girl, they gone. I don't know what happened to them. But for $20, I thought this was super cute. And I don't think I've ever bought any bottoms from Forever 21. Other than we used to have those like $7 jeans a long time ago, which were really like jeggings, so you knew that it was gonna fit you. But like their denim runs weird, so this is my first time getting any denim shorts from them, and they actually fit. So yeah, 10 out of 10, honey. These are cute. Okay, so last but not least, we got these black denim high-waisted vintage shorts, also from the concert section. Super cute, almost the same as a blue jean. Frayed at the bottom of the butt. Got little strings. You'll probably get like even more frayed if you put them in like a dryer or whatever. But I'm not gonna put these in a dryer because, like I said, these fit perfectly. I don't even shrink. When I try these on, they're like a little bit tight, like because of the waist. Like my waist is smaller than the rest of my like lower half, so it was like, you know, a little snug. But girls we like snug when it comes to our bottoms anyways, getting me over my thighs and my butt. But once you get up here, like this part fits perfectly. Like it ain't too tight down here, it just fits nice, if any of that just makes sense. But yeah, super cute. Same size, 26, same price, $19.99. And I'm gonna try and link these down below, but I didn't see them online. Like, you know how sometimes they have like in-store only or online exclusives. I'm gonna try and look them up and link them down below, but I didn't see them. But yeah, super cute. I would get these. But yeah, that's the last thing I have to show y'all. I know this haul was super small, but my Shein package came in, and it's about to be a huge Shein haul. I don't know what possessed me to order all that stuff, but I did. And Shein haul coming soon. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you forgot to hit that post notification button, then hit it now. I won't be mad. And share this video. And yeah, I will see y'all next time.